Hi. Hello. Welcome in. So I guess let's just get started. I may have accidentally broken the game. So I need to fix that before I can test anything else. Hadoken and welcome in. V Square, welcome. Hello. Yeah, we're doing a little salsa, little bossa nova music. Actually need to drink a little of this. Gimme, gimme. Give you what? Co-working? You craving the co-workmanship? Here we go. All right. So you guys know my Trello. Yeah, the music's feeling very loud. It's probably just me. Welcome to my watch. Thank you. So, okay, I am still working towards getting this Life Sim space station concept to Steam page ready before the end of August. And so originally I was just trying to get it visually there in order to take screenshots, make a Steam page, be done. But I realized there were some things like UI that I just can't really do until I have like the core game functioning. Plus I think it'll make for more interesting screenshots and maybe even a trailer video. Is my Twitch glitched out? Am I not on Twitch right now? Oh, I forgot to go live on Twitch.
Yeah, I was trying to figure out. I saw that and I was like, what?
I was so confused. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I forgot to push, or I don't know, maybe I double clicked because the start and stop button are the same button. I was like, why is it so quiet on Twitch? But I saw Hadoken's message, so I thought I was all good. Oh gosh, that really woke up the dogs. Jesus. Nick, congrats on first. Thank you guys for jumping over to YouTube to tell me. And Coda running from the other room. Girls, please settle down. It's okay. Oh gosh. There's like a whole parade of puppies coming out to check on me. I laughed too hard. Getting exclusive live, you are. Footlong, welcome in. We have we had the little drama because I'm dumb. Hi, Carrot. Yeah, I see you. I'm like literally petting her right now and she's still like scratching at me and Spud's licking my fingertip and they're all very concerned. Saw the YouTube notification, went to Twitch, thought I got banned finally for not being funny. No! Stop scratching me. That hurts. That hurts. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry about that. Okay. So Gorley, hello, welcome in. Are you all here for Carrot content? Because she's gonna make sure that's what we see tonight. Come on now. I need to get work done. Alright. Please stop scratching. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. They're both having a little crisis right now and here at a non-awkward moment. Yeah. Not awkward. Just a little assaults of my skin by the dogs. Nothing weird. Okay. No, don't get the carrot chair. It's fine. She's just... I think regardless of what else was happening, because I reacted the way I did to that, she was like, I need to be right now the center of attention. And now she seems to have calmed down. Hello. I got my new monitor. So that's why you're not seeing like all the chat and back-end stuff, and I'm a little more functional now, which is nice. I'm almost a functional adult. I was just talking about the scope, the plan. We're doing co-working today. I want to make sure I'm getting stuff done today. I've been getting stuff done today, but I want that to continue. But I just wanted to fill in what I'm working on. Okay, so anyway, originally, okay, so no. The goal that I'm working towards, MASH, nice one. Nick, you're going to live in the couch cushions of Footlong. You're going to find work as the Texas Railroad Commissioner. You're going to scare away all humans and wildlife with your ugly mug. Everyone's getting that one. And you'll have a wedding photography side hustle. Steve9, thank you for the giant me. Now says he's having some rum, will probably have spelling mistakes and a subscription to automod rejection. Maybe. Unboxing video. When are you releasing? Huh? Oh, for my monitor? No. I don't think that would be interesting. And like I kept the box because I just don't even know if I like it. I'm gonna try it out for a little bit and see if I am happy with it. It's taller than my other one by like 2 inches, so it's kind of awkward. We're just gonna see how it goes. But she really got me. Anyway, okay, so the plan for this project, this descoped space station life sim, is to have a Steam page ready to release by the end of this month so that I can apply to the October Next Fest. And so really at any time I can publish a Steam page, but I would like to have the game as polished as possible in the places that I'm showing it. And I would like to have UI that represents the gameplay. And if possible, but not necessary, I'd love to have a trailer. So that's the overarching goal for today. But yeah, I really want to do co-working and get good stuff done. What I was working on before I started stream actually made it so the game can't play. So I need to fix that first and foremost. And then I can show off a little bit more of what I have done. Kanban boards are so nice. Make another column and keep pushing stuff to the right. You push it to the left. Silly goose. So I always keep the most current thing just to the left of done, and then everything else is like backlog. Future news problems. I'd like to do a bunch of blending this weekend on stream, but I need to get the game to where I can load in again first. Yeah, just one more in front of the done. Exactly. I love this workflow because it helps me organize things, but also like everything that I'm actually working on is just this column, and this is all for the old version of the game that is on a shelf. But there's a few little things like this that I might bring in still, and some of it's duplicates. So I'm not quite sure how that's gonna work, but anyway. So let's keep working on this then. Yeah, so we're working on adding active household logic. Creature select UI. So that's what we need to figure out. So I was looking at creature because I made this new scene creature creator. I can show the flow right now. It doesn't do anything. So you no longer see the orbiting world. We're going to do something different for the start screen. Click start. Oh. Oh. Interesting. Lovely lad, welcome in. Hello, Rodrigo. All right, so there we go. So then when you push start, it takes you to the gumdrop maker because they're called gumdrops. And then you can click the button to make a random, and then you push start and it will load in the world. But right now, it doesn't work for a couple of reasons. I ate 380G, a whole Ika package of black beans for lunch. Jeez. Okay, so tomorrow you're gonna be like pooping 4 times in a day. Rip. I'll be okay. Okay, so anyway, we're looking at creature. Exactly, Nick. We're looking at creature to see how do we start them? What do I need to do? If we don't have creature data, we make it new. So maybe creatures is a good place to... If we say spawn random creature, we make a new creature data, we randomize the age. Add child. And then we pick a position and let it sort everything out there. Dude, big walk. Yes, I've heard. Tamer, welcome in. Keith, welcome in. We're all into the bathroom. When you hit your head on the ceiling. How many elephants of beans is that? I'm American, don't know what G's are. I think I told you already. Wait, told me what? I'm a G. I want advice. What do you want advice on, V-Square? What's up? So add child at. So if I took the children and I pass them to life. I said start child or no active household creatures. An array of creature. And then we'll say we don't need this. Kaiser, thank you for the resub. About the bee guac? I don't know what you're talking about, so I don't think you did tell me. Never had black beans before? What? You haven't had black beans before? Just goth beans. Thank you, Kaiser. 9 months, we could have had a baby, Kaiser. Well, I think it's closer to 10 months, but still, we could have had a baby. Just in general. Thank God we use conscious. Damn. Kaiser, you want to see something fun? No one else is gonna notice. I cut off a bunch of my hair. Like last night. Technically this morning. It was like 2 in the morning. I had to wash it. It was feeling really greasy. And I was like, I'm exhausted. I don't want to wash my hair because it's a pain, but it feels so gross. And then I was like, what if I just grabbed like a chunk and cut it off? And then I did. And now I have short hair. For me, it's short. It's hard to show. I can tie it into a bun, but only in the back of my head. It's pretty short. Anyway. So I thought this was like a more witchy look because now it can like triangle, you know? My head feels so much lighter. It's so nice. I was like, I was exuberant last night from the experience of having all that weight off my head. It was so nice. Alva Doodle, welcome in. 3 centimeters is too short. No, you're fine. Wondering what the hell was wrong? Wait, what? What was wrong? Nothing's wrong. Different. Oh. Yeah, it cut off almost all of the... Here, if I'm going to talk about it. So I have bleached strands, and it cut off almost all of the bleach. So you can see a little bit there, but it's otherwise just natural now. Going natty. Anyway. When I get the first paycheck for new job, first thing is booking a haircut and eyebrow wax. My hair is curly enough that as long as I am not giving too much of a shit about the exact length, then I just... Girls looking like Sasquatch. Did not message all the chatters beforehand to tell them to notice your new haircut. I appreciate that. This was a test and you all failed. Rodrigo, we're talking about my haircut. Trying to build an RPG before, but it's a never-ending process. I keep adding things and more story depth, and somehow now it turned out to be more complicated to make. Do you have any suggestions what I can start with? Want to make the smallest game and easiest to make possible first and publish, something like that. Any idea what could work? Does it need to be an RPG? Like, I could talk about this for hours. Does it need to be an RPG, or are we just saying anything? Write the ending first, go back from there. He's talking about making a game, Coda. He's talking about making a small game. Got wavy hair too, but because it's wavy, I find the long ends get knotted so quickly. Oh, fair. Yeah, like I'll go to the hairstylist. Like I was going every 6 months when I was trying to grow it out. Because I was like, just take off as little as you need to in order for it to not be split ends to help it grow. But now I'm just like, I might even shave it more, cut it more, or full on shave it. I haven't decided, but I'm living with this for a while. Could be anything. Oh. Yeah, Coda, you're giving advice on how to write a story. But he's not necessarily making an RPG. That's why I was asking. Take care of it. Oh. Like booking pro wrestling. Yeah. End up with a dreadlock at the nape of my neck if I wear a collared shirt. Jeez. Oh my gosh. Do you feel splendid though? I really do. Like life is just better and I'm glowing in my best self. All right. So what's the easiest game that you could publish? Do you need to publish it for sale or just publish it to share? Are you thinking a monetizable game? P-Square? Thank you. Yeah, I brushed it so much last night and just was playing with it too. Just like, this is the new me that does not give a shit about things like planning ahead to grow out my hair as long as possible and just cuts it when I feel like it. And I might even start dyeing it fun colors. I don't know. I'm just gonna be like more spontaneous because I'm not gonna have a day job. I can just do whatever the fuck I want. I can fuck up my appearance and then just hide for a month till it grows out. It's amazing. How difficult is it to go to an expert? I let my trim and shave in the hands of professionals make me very, very sexy. At 2 in the morning, because I don't want to wash it, it's very hard. And it's just not necessary. Bald, exactly. I could always just shave it and start over. My hair looks really good when it's like super short, like bald. I have a good head shape for it. So I'm not afraid of that. Going the other way, sick of bleaching, so just making it fade between natural and bleach. Yeah, that's what I did before. I was like, start like here and bleach it down. But only in chunks. And then because they did it in chunks, they couldn't ever go back and do the whole thing, which really sucked. I had like 2 years ago. 2 years ago was my high maintenance era. And I'm so done. Now I'm low maintenance. Barely wearing, like I don't wear bras anymore. I sweatpants and crop tops, t-shirts if I'm on stream. That's it. Yeah, don't even worry about bras. Rumble, welcome in. Have you heard of Twitch Prime? No. Something I could share to game dev identity. Okay, so just something to share. The Grumpster. That's you, Grumble. He's talking about you. Okay, yeah, the smallest game to share. Probably an Endless Runner. Fuel, welcome in. Keith, you're conflating taking care of myself with, like, being concerned with my looks more than is necessary for others. Yeah, see, that's what I'm saying. I don't care. I don't care about how others perceive me because I am happily married. I almost never leave my house and I'm clean, and that's all that should matter. Like, I can be clean, but beyond that, come on. That's vanity, and I'm saying no. I'm too old for this shit. Rising Runner, missed by Endless Thunder. What does that mean? We use toilet paper, don't. Get back out of bed since I'm not napping. Still poorly from this morning. Oh, I'm sorry. That's why I got cats. Ew. What? Clean once every year on Christmas. There you go. No one asked if Coda is happy. No, of course not. Calling over some treats. Ick. Ugh. Anyway. Yeah, V Square. I would say make an Endless Runner. The basics of an Endless Runner are really simple. And then you can just add as many different slices that randomly get cycled between as you feel like it. And make it a very small but polished experience. We already know if Coda is happy. Exactly, there's no reason to ask. A traditional man. Would Endless Running on Godot be difficult to make? No, it's so easy. It's the easiest game I can think of. That's why I said it. Because like with Endless Runners, you can just say, I'm running in the positive X direction. And you don't actually move the character in the positive X, you just slide the world towards the character, and the character just moves in the plus and minus Z direction and Y direction to like jump and just avoid obstacles. And if they hit an obstacle, then it's game over and you start over. That's it. It's so easy. And then you just do like a generation of slices that are what comes in front of the characters. Then you can do interesting stuff with that. Smells like mountains and mildew. Ick. Had to use a shower yesterday. It wasn't as freeing. A brick breaker game. That's true. That's true. But V Square was saying about making their presence known as a developer and sharing, not about learning the basics. So just like, what's the smallest thing to like be creative? I mean, you can be creative with Brick Breaker. I made a very cool Brick Breaker when I started, but I'm just saying. I'm just saying this is all. Okay, so okay. We're gonna say for a creature in active household creatures, creatures dot add. Okay, you don't know your own. Add child at. And then we'll just throw it over here. Okay, I'm gonna. That is a long string. Spawn pause. I would just beat everyone up at the next Indie Games Con. That will make your presence known. Making games is too hard. I would give up on that. What does he mean put 50p in? Yeah, Coda told me, he was like, I'm gonna be in your chat today. And I'm just gonna say whatever comes to mind. And I was like, oh no. Oh no. Give it a try this week. Something like Subway Surfers, right? Yeah, that's a good example. That might be a little more complex. I've never actually played Subway Surfers, but the genre is correct. And then you can just make a simplified version of that and then just add whatever you can think to add. I can even show you, I have an endless runner. And it's pretty funny. Yeah, hair razors. I always get motion sick when I play this game. I hope the volume's not too loud. It's super loud. Sorry. So yeah, you're just on a track. It might still be too loud. Sorry. There we go. So yeah, you're just moving left to right, and then you can jump. And that's the whole game. And the obstacles just spawn. No, oh yeah, the rabbit growls, because it's a vicious killer. To a carrot. Yeah, you can't control speed, you can just run. And in my game, the more suns you collect, the faster the game goes. Because you're running faster. No, it's not me breathing. This is like the first game where I really took sound effect design seriously, and it paid off. I love this game. It's so funny. Oh! Humiliation. Getting humiliated. Nor, welcome in. Remember how I said we were gonna co-work and like be really productive today? Anyway, stop it. That's all. Yeah, Creative Waste. Thank you. He made the music for that game, and I think it turned out fantastic. Okay. Productive. Yeah, we'll try. We'll see. Anyway. So I'm just trying to say, when I start life, take my creature list, and then they'll add them to the scene. And otherwise there'll be no one here. So, what else? Household label count 0. Unique name. Household count is equal to value. And then now the music's too quiet because I turned down the system volume. Here we go. With Coda around, I'm trying. My plans are to be snarky in Twitch chat tonight. Nice. How long did it take you to build hair razors? 2 days. It was one really good stream. And then the next morning, I did a bit for like a 2-hour Monday morning stream. It was really, really simple. But if you're like still learning the basics, it would take you longer. Because I did that as someone who's been deving for a long time. Okay, so we increased household count. We should do that at the end. Let me append this one. And then what? What are we doing with new household? I guess we need to say var for a creature dot household. Creature type creature is that. So then they'll all be in the same household. I'm a lurk. Have a good lurk, Nor. Okay, so now everyone's in the same household. We'll pass that set. So what should happen when we load in the game, first time everything will probably break. So if I push start, nothing will happen. It's good. If I push make random, the count goes up. And if I push start now, there should be one creature in the world. But of course, something broke. Oh, interesting. Okay, so I guess this wasn't an issue before because we always just made the creature data. And like really we're going to want to do it here too. Okay. I can get on board with this. Because eventually we're going to want to make creature data. So that we can set stuff about the creature. Unlocked 5k flower achievement today. Nice. Thank you so much for playing. Feeling the bossa nova today makes me want to spend all our money. Oh no. On what? More bossa nova. Just like just so many albums of different bossa nova music. Pokeballs and potions. Are you playing Pocopia right now? Snarky check. Suggested game ideas check. Make iHeart feel like her head is lighter check. Probably later though. Okay. Coda started playing Pocopia since I already finished it. And I was just like, it's okay if my save gets lost. But then it turned out they make their own save for the different accounts anyway, so it doesn't matter. It was never at risk. Going through it, making Anki flashcards for the citizenship. I mean, citizenship is still 4 years away at least. Something, I guess, noteworthy about Swedish citizenship You have to be earning enough money to qualify for citizenship. So I need to build up Bread Factory enough to be earning like considerable money to qualify for citizenship. So to me, it makes sense to focus on Bread Factory first and not worry about citizenship test studying until it's time. But since Coda's role is more passive, it does make sense for him to prep it, and then I can just jump in on studying when it's time to study. We'll see how that goes. Can't vote yet. We can vote locally. Coda figured that out. You just can't vote in the national elections if you're not a citizen. Yeah. We didn't vote before because we didn't know. But now, this time we can. That's cool. We're contributing. We have voting in one country. Is that coming up? Is it midterms? Okay. Okay. I hope everyone is voting where they can, because participating in democracy is how we democracy. My girlfriend had the same issue. She's been a citizen for so long. The same issue with what? Where's my character? Why can't my camera move? My camera wasn't responding to input. I think I deleted something I shouldn't have. Oh, camera pivot. Oh, right. I was thinking this was something else, so I took it out. So really, I just wanted to stop this. She became a citizen many years ago. Nice. Oh, gotcha. Oh my gosh. Kezer, why is it whenever you redeem MASH, it breaks? No, it was live. We got one earlier. Heavens. Why do you always break my toys? Oh. I still have the community reward. Does everyone see that or just me? People get built different. We don't need to figure it out. We just need to respect it. And at the timeout corner. Affirm talking to. Alright, I'm gonna make MASH limit to 2 per stream so Kezer can do 1. Try not to break it again. Aloha, little gremlin of sunshine and chaos. Aloha, Marvelry. Thank you. I am a little gremlin. I want to MASH also. I mean, it's set up, but it's gonna be limited chatters. We can't have Nikesy things. You're gonna live in Kennel 6B with the rest of Master's human pets. You're gonna find work as a plumber. Gross. That's the poop job. Gonna go around town with yourself and Coda. Nice. And you're gonna have 2 mortgages. We can't have Nikes. That's what Hadouken's saying. Busy life, yeah. Going around town, mortgages, plumbing, rum smelling. Oh yes, okay, okay. They meant eating this stuff stuck. Oh God. Oh. Oh, hi. You must be the one I just made. Okay. Good. We made a household. What? Coda. Okay, so you guys want to see what I did? What did you do? Stop relaxing, Tamara. We got shit to do. No. I accidentally canceled the task. Go to operations. Operations is the new location I made this afternoon. You can go and you can work in operations, and it's just like a boring office with a break room and a toilet. But there's a desk here in operations. Oh gosh, let me just called request house. The desk has the options to request housing, request a job. So I'm gonna request housing. And then I'm doing that, and we're gonna get a pop-up. And there it is. There's an available apartment or unit. It's a living quarters, whatever. We can rent it. And now it's here. And now if we go to living quarters, not the public one, but our personal one, we have private quarters that we live in. Isn't that so cool? Yeah, straight to bed. She gets it. I have iHeart and Carrot Cake who both shed a lot. Tamara, that's the random name. Tamara, I love ya, Tamara. You're only an app away. So this is a public housing. There's not like a big population right now, but if we really amped it up, we'd be very grateful that we have private housing. Because no one else is gonna get to sleep, really. They're so cute. My little gumdrops. I'm gonna make the buildings more close together and not all visible at the same time. Oh gosh, I lost Tamara. I just noticed I don't have her anymore. Okay. Oh gosh. Oh geez. Yeah, you can look at the info board. Browse. Oh, they're all like piled up to look. I have to do blending today. That's why there's like nothing here. Played Haley in Star Trek Voyager. Haley? Who's Haley? Shed, I knew it. She's a werewolf. Damn. But okay, so this info board, I'm gonna make it like there will be news of like special events. There will be, oh, the hologram, the child, right? This is a deep cut. Jupiter Station hologram. That is an insane... You must be... Are you rewatching it right now? Or 5 times? Jeez. Yeah, Voyager was not my favorite. I enjoyed Voyager. I really liked the intro to Voyager. But compared to Deep Space Nine, it's hard to get excited about it. Because Deep Space Nine is everything. As you know, I'm sure. But yeah, they come to this notice board and you can learn about upcoming events and you can accept odd jobs and quests and like personal, social hookup kind of things. DS9 was best, hands down. Yes. Good. Thank you. I'm glad you understand. I know what Janeway does for some men. I understand. Ray, welcome in. Hello. I do like Janeway a lot. She likes coffee and she likes engineering, so I like her, but it's just Neelix. It's like the Neelix show, and I just can't. I hate Neelix. But yeah, so they're like all browsing the board, and they have a little bit of fun doing it. And then, gosh, they're all like standing each other. I made way too many at once, so they're all just on top of each other now. They got nowhere else to go. And the bar is like empty. Because there's nothing really for them to do yet. They get nothing out of being in this room. I'm back. Welcome back, V-Square. Uh-oh. Maybe you want to poop instead? Do you want to die? Oh no. You failed to get smooted. There you go. Did you create the assets yourself? Bandezo, welcome in. I did. These are my little guys. And all the environments. These are placeholders. This is like the next thing on my list. I also need to make some like bathroom sinks. No, there's no cocktails. Oh god, people are really getting stuck in the corners. You're in operations. Okay, well, we'll have to figure that out later. But yeah, there's no bathroom sink. And with the lounge, you can tend the bar and you can order a drink, but they don't actually handshake to place an order. They're just separate things that don't do anything. So that's something we have to figure out in the near future is basically I'm going to write a manager for manned stations. So like if the bar isn't manned, you can't order a drink. And if it is manned, you can order a drink and it adds like a sequence task to the creature manning it to create the drink for you. And then put it where you can take it. Because right now it's just, they're just standing there. They don't do anything. But it looks cute. Look at him. Andorian ale, if they can take it. They probably can't. Made over $1,000 in 7 small hours. Nice. That is awesome. Thank you for playing. Oh. I don't even know if our creature is here. Or alive, I mean. Oh. V-Square, what did you do? I'm getting a notification, but I don't know what it means. Did you become a member? Well, well, well. Look who decided to show up. It's Lenny. Thank you, V-Square. I have a star now. Nice. You're the first person to do that. I did not know what would happen. Thank you. If anyone, I'll just show really quick. Oop. So I just saw a green bar I've never seen before. It says, "Welcome to Funny Boy." And shows them as a member now in the chat. It's totally new. And I know I can filter this so I can just see that, but I prefer live chat so I can see people talking to me. Not Lenny. But it's pretty cool. And one thing I really like about the YouTube version, although it's like not as good as Twitch in some other ways, I could set the price. Like I was given a range of prices I could set for the membership, and I could set like extra things that come with the membership if I wanted. So like I could have a cheaper membership that's just the emotes, and I could do like a more expensive membership that was like, I could just like make promises. Like I'm gonna post a weekly members only video for this subset of members or something. $1 billion doll hairs. Exactly. Also, I think you have access to these emotes now. I think that's how that works. I'm not sure. Anyway, okay. What's wrong? Oh yeah, so these are the ones that got stuck. So we'll have to do some debugging to figure that out. The other thing we need to do is we need to set the active household at this point. So let's say world demographics. Active household is equal to new household. Could even do that sooner. It's okay. They shared with a membership. Pretty sure that's what I read. Oh, okay. I have this sticker now. Nice. That's my face. Thank you, Kaiser. That one's better. Oh no, Carrot got activated. Hi. Fun Police is here. You got a license for that laughter? Okay. Yeah. Alright, alright, alright. V-Square, there was I did the max amount. YouTube's rule was like, I need to have so many members before I can increase the number of emotes that they get. So I have a bunch more to add once I get enough members. So tell your friends. Nah, we'll see what happens. What do you think, Carrot? I feel like I picked the best ones for the, because you can't have animated ones either. So of the non-animated ones, I think I picked the best for the starters. But yeah, we need a Carrot one, I guess. Hey, Egg, welcome in. Are you close on the big ad revenue step? Just first step. Just the first step. Not close on ad revenue. I still have to like put out devlogs regularly again. I never got back into that after my pneumonia. But soon, TM. There you go. I'll pet Carrot just because you asked. Yeah, behind the ears is good. Yeah, I posted a devlog when I released Stop and Smell the Flowers that I thought would do better than it did. Because, like, I used to get, like, 4,000 views, like, from a devlog, and this time it was, like, 100. So, I think just getting back into it more regularly and making them more artisanal with things like slice of life cuts and stuff will help. Maybe some music. Maybe like a funnier cover. Yeah. Oh wow. Alright. I really want to get work done though, babe. I really can't with you in my lap. I know. Rage, welcome in. I heart in the yoinky boinkers. I like the sound of that. Okay, yeah. It's very crowded in here because we have like boxes from my new chair and my new monitor. So there wasn't really room for the carrot chair, but we'll make it work. I hope I'm still audible because I was just messing with the mic. Got dog hair in my mouth. Whose boinkers we yoinkin'? Parrot needs their special chair. Yeah, I guess. Yeah. Okay. Chaos. But I think we're all sorted now. Easy. Okay. Duh. Yeah, she knows. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So now we have a household set. We add our creatures. We need to add a UI to show active creatures and to pick which one we're following at any time. Narsenhelst. So I don't have a solid plan for this yet, but I'm thinking we could do a panel here that's just a VBot or a scroll container. Okay. With a VBox container inside of it. Sits on the bottom. No horizontal scroll. Reserve. Let's do reserve. Okay, and then we need a button. Make it a 30 by 30 button. And this will be $35 by $60. Nice. Okay, so this is gonna be centered. And alignment. And we're gonna do a mouse ignore. Creature selection panel. Honestly, this should not be a scroll container. Let's change type to just a panel container, because I don't really want it to scroll. I just want it to be big enough. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Give a little bit of a margin here. Active creature. Oh. Select active creature button. Okay. Being highlighted feels weird. Now I see myself in green highlighted with a star, consuming my eyes. I'm sorry. Well, you don't have to renew it. It's no pressure. I don't know if you can like undo it, but it's no pressure. Creature selection panel button set. What a name. Oh. Select active. There we go. That's what I wanted. Okay. Hey, D-Boy, welcome in. Coda got a fortune. Drink more water. Damn. We have ads starting in 10 seconds, and I'm going to refill my drink then. Torque, welcome in. This is the best iHeart. Is this the best iHeart? I know. Damn, I don't know. The sky is blue. Yeah, kinda. Alright, I need to BRB while we're in ads. So let's just hop in. I guess let's go to the place where they're all going to congregate eventually. And I'll BRB. What's going on? Jotson, welcome and thank you for the, what, 10 hours of Microescape? I could barely hear that one. The floor is purple. Yes. Are we game yet? No. No. Alright, Coda, Mash. You're gonna live in an undisclosed location, appearing only to provide helpful messages on Twitch. You're gonna find work as an ethical hacker. You're gonna be the anti-hero of Bandez's story. We'll have an adopted son that they're very proud of. That's nice. Helpful. Alright. We are back. We are so back. Oh, look at him. He's coming to do a jig. What are these two doing in the corner? Oh, he's freaking out. Oh. Oh, interesting. So he's trying to do things in the public living quarters, but he's already in the public living quarters, but he's trying to travel to the public living quarters. So he's stuck. Weird. She's stuck. All right, let's take a look. I, of course, could zoom in a bit more to make it that an easier click. Not the computer. There we go. Okay, you think you're in the operations office. That's interesting. How do you... Okay. Well, that's something to take note of, and we can explore it more later. Creature thought... Creature had... current ground. Set to operations office and not the public living quarters that they were in. Public quarters. That's stuck in corner. We can fix that in a minute. Okay, I wanted to finish what I was doing here. So, we're gonna move this. Actually, wait. Okay, so once this gets set, we'll say active household is value, and then we'll have a signal. Active household changed. $4060 Ti. What are you talking about, D-Boy? Are you okay? What? Okay. On active household changed. Not ever since back then. Are you drunk? Like, what's going on? It's okay. Like, no judgies. I'm just a little worried about you. Does it say that somewhere on my screen? Why are you saying that, though? Nothing from to welcome in. Like... Oh, it says it right here. Oh. I never knew that. Nothing from to hello. I am proper. Welcome in. Long time, yeah. Been back to the stream. Always find myself coming back to you. Ah. What are you working on? I'm working on a life sim project. And I have until the end of August to publish the Steam page for it. So I can sign up for the October Next Fest with it, because it's a short project. So I'm gonna crunch. I'm crunching. Feeling crunchy. But it's good. It's been so fun. It's like I'm doing a game jam that I created all the rules for, and there's no consequences if I lose, but if I win, I get a lot of money. Look at your output. Bro. No. On household feature added. Since that day. Since the incident. Since the Fire Nation attacked. Button. Creature. Button. Dictionary. Creature data. Okay. You're on time crunch then? Yes, exactly. I go back to work on Monday, and I am finishing the last 3 weeks of my job, and then I start full-time game dev September 1st, but I need the Steam page done and out before September 1st. So I want to get as much done this week before I go back to work. What time is it? It's 8:11 p.m. Yes, and right now I'm trying to make buttons. It's very simple, but for some reason it feels hard. So we'll say world demographic. Household changed. Connect. An active household change. Focus on work. Thank you. I appreciate that. Full time, are you excited or nervous about giving up your job? Excited. Very excited. Okay, so when this happens, we'll say for a button in creature button dictionary that duplicate values. I don't actually need to duplicate this because it's the values. A button. It'll just change the value to null, which is fine. And then we'll say for a member in world demographics, active household dot members. Also, I will just say I'm trying this month to post every day on Blue Sky, Instagram, and X to see what happens. Specifically posting about this game that I'm working on. So if you're on any of those, please give me a follow. It would make my day. A button is select active feature button dot instantiate. Add child a button. Feature button dictionary dot merge a creature dot. Oh, Claymore, welcome in. Sure, no problem. I think you're already following me. I'm not hearing the Twitch alerts. Hold on. Hold the phone. Is the volume just really low? My system volume's super low, I know that, so maybe that's an issue. I think it's at like 1%. I don't know if other people are hearing them. So it's feeling like everything was too loud. I heard it that time. A 30 days challenge? Yes, exactly. 30 days, 1 month. Might be a 31-day month. I have no idea. But I'm just trying to see if that actually like does anything for me. And so far, it's been nice. So I'm very happy with the results so far. Like, I never posted on X before. And just by doing it for like, I think it's been a week now, my views and my reactions to my posts has gone up from like 5 views and 0 reactions to like one of my posts now has like over 300 views, reshares or retweets or whatever it's called now, and a bunch of likes, like 15 likes, which for me is, compared to the none before, it's very nice. Very much the right direction. Okay, so on household creature removed, we'll say var a button is a creature. I wrote this funny. Creature button dictionary get this or null. Well, that's the default. I don't need to say that. If a button dot queue free creature button dictionary erase. We can erase that either way. Getting popular, huh? I mean, getting anything. Re-ex, is that what they call it? Finally, welcome in. Getting excavated. Because they dig me, you see. That's probably what people say. Okay, so I don't know if this actually does signals that I'm trying to listen for. It does! I'm so smart! It's right here. Oh, wow. Okay, that's... Thanks, past me. Okay, so here's the problem. Okay, so maybe previous household? Active household changed. Okay. I don't know if this is the best way to do it, but whatever. Thanks? In my chat? I don't think so. I think not. Okay, so if previous household signal bus Tricon previous household member added on household creature added false. I don't think so. Member removed. Would I come back to? Absolutely nothing. Oh. If world demographics active household. So then we're going to connect the signals with the new household. So in this way we can change households. I'm not really planning on that being a thing, but it also is just good for like misalignments. Seems like a big project by now. How do you feel about the signal bus, signals in general? Hard to follow actions through the signal chain. No, really it only gets hard when I have deferred calls. So like if I do a call deferred or if I just do an await for the next frame or something, it destroys the callback stack, which makes it hard. Not in D-Boys chat either. So that's a little annoying, but overall, it's been pretty good. Nee, welcome in. Game over. Oh no. It's over. But so I had this as a different concept where it was a colony / god sim / life sim, and I realized that it was just like wasn't working as a mashup of genres. And also like I was like, this will lower the scope quite a bit if I change this. And now I'm like, I'm pretty pleased with this change, I would say, overall. So I'm going to give this a script as well. Last name, select active creature button. Func, set data. A creature. I guess we could say text is equal to a creature data, creature name. So then if we go back here, when we make our button, we'll say a button dot set data a creature. I try something similar in my day job then. Always worried actions might be too hard to follow because you can't click to jump to the function. Oh, but you can search, as long as you can search for all the references. Some types of what's the word? Whatever. Some types of editing software you can't search all, but Godot lets you, so that's why it's possible. And I name them in a way intentionally to make it easier to search. So like, if I have a signal, active household changed, connected to a function, I name it on active household changed. And then when I search for the signal, it shows the signal, it shows when I emit it, and it shows the function I connected it to. Like pretty easily. And it's all just right there. But maybe my projects aren't so big compared to what you mean for your day job. So hopefully I'm not steering you wrong. Yeah, I definitely recommend doing things like that. It makes life easier. Okay, so let's test this and then profit? Oh, it was still on the debug mode. Okay. Oh, this is still previous. Okay. Are you making a game in Godot? I noticed the creature selection UI. What kind of game are you working on? I'm making... Nee, welcome. I'm making a life sim in Godot set on a space station. Ugh, can't talk. So we should have one creature in the world now named Caden. One thing I still have to do is set up what the buttons actually do when you click them, because right now it's just sitting there in text. Where are you? Yeah, and I'm in a crunch right now to get the project to Steam page ready. and I'm making a lot of progress each day, but like what you see right now is not like in my mind done or functional really. That's what we're working towards. But I want it to be cute. Here. I'm just stargazing. Wish you the best of luck. Full-time game dev job. You plan to stream more often starting from September? I'm not sure. Maybe. David, welcome in. It's a cute sim. Thank you. Yeah, cozy is very important to me. So cute, cozy, while in space, if it's possible. That's the challenge. Making space feel futuristic and also cozy. Okay, so yeah, really like the doing more streams. I do want to like try and get the 25 days streaming and 30 achievement on Twitch. So at least I'll do it for that. Because why not? But beyond that, I don't know. I'm not going to change my schedule right away. Because for the last 2 weeks, I've been on vacation and acting like I'm full-time. And I have not been wanting to stream extra. Heidi, welcome in. Yeah, so I start full-time September 1st. I quit my job, but I actually go back in on Monday of this upcoming week, and I have 3 weeks to finish up before I'm like done. Thank you. I'm very excited about it. It's self-actualizing, which is very nice. Oh, here we go. Okay, I need this. All the best to you. Thank you. Yes. Yes, I am going full time on my dreams and hopes and dreams. Razi, good evening. Welcome in. Coda, I haven't been snarky for a while, so I guess you're super productive. I can hear him doing dishes in the other room. Let's not disturb him. Stevie, welcome in. Thank you for the read. Basically playing God. What kind of sim are you making? It's just a life sim. Welcome in, Stevie. Yag, hello. Miff. Oh, hi there. Welcome. Coda, get back to the dishes. Hope it works out. I do too. I feel like it has to, because we have plenty of runway to try and make it work. Hi, Razi's wife. Oh, did I miss something? Hope you won't be streaming 24/7 though. Don't let productivity hit 0 because of us. Yeah, definitely not. She probably pays you well. I do. Heard about you going full time. Best of luck. Thank you. Miss Bacon Sandwich, hello. Hold on. I was still lurking. So let me close my stream. I don't want to watch my own stream. Who would watch my stream? My God. My God. I rated myself. It's true. Guilty. Yes, raiders, welcome. Stevie, what were you working on? How was your stream? Where did you end things? I missed the end. How far did you get? Hydrate, thank you. I just went along for the ride. But yeah, Raiders, if you don't know me, I'm iHeartFunnyBoys. I'm a game dev working Godot, and right now I'm also working on a project where I'm doing quite a bit of time in Blender and making my own assets. And I'm making a cute little cozy life sim based on a space station. And it's gonna be a very small project is the goal. And I'm hoping to have it done in 3 months from September 1st. That's my target. And this month, I'm trying to get the Steam page published before September 1st so that I can sign up for the October Next Fest. I love space stations and cozy life. Excellent. Got the blinds in as a test, and I think I'm happy with the shape of the mesh enough to start UV unwrapping and texturing next. Oh my gosh. Wait, so like you're texturing, you're not doing just like color swatches for blinds? Maybe I'm just lazy. I'm probably just lazy, but for something like blinds, I would just do like maybe a noise. Yeah. But just like a little bit of dirt or something. A little bit of wear. And make it like off-white or something. I don't know. Okay, it is going to be just a noise texture. I thought you were like hand painting along each edge or something, like the oil brush. Hi, Twin. Welcome in. I'm not late. You're late. You are precisely on time. You arrived when you meant to. As we twins do. Why are you twins? Because we're the same. Okay, so target creature. Creature. Sorry, I just want to get a little bit done so I can show you guys. Because right now, I couldn't push play even if you paid me. Target creature is a creature, and then Funk pressed. I don't know if you guys who use Godot know this, but pressed is a built-in function of button. So you don't have to connect. If you put the script on a button, you don't have to write func ready pressed connect or like on press, right? It's already here and it functions that way. If you want to do like hover or mouse exit, then you have to do that, but you don't have to do it for pressed. Signal bus active creature. Okay. Already button. Yeah, exactly. It already buttons. Very informative answer. I mean, I don't know what more there is to say. We recently found out, or not recently, but most recently we found some ways that we're not twins. So that's all that I can think of right now, is all the ways that my twin has wronged me. So if I talk right now about it, I'm just going to say all the things that we aren't twins about, and that sucks. Like how my twin does not like drinking delicious beverages, or coffee specifically. Signal bus dot camera. Follow target. Target creature true. You're both making bear life sims. You both live in Sweden. The same personal record for bench, deadlift, squat. Yes, all of this is true. Yes, we have the same personal record. That's accurate. Thank you. Oh, when the household changes. Okay, so I want to say here. What was I gonna say here? So, active household. No. Creature button dictionary. my gosh, my brain. No, come back. It's all this elevator music. It's messing with my head. Wordstone, welcome in. I think I just panicked at the thought that I would have to prove that I have the same PR as my twin. And it got me all flustered. Okay. So we're gonna grab the first member. First mem button is this. We can't grab it from the dictionary because at this point we've only queued free the removal of the old ones. So we gotta wait. First mem. Then we'll say first mem button is if first, well, we know it. If it's not, I want it to catch an error. I think these need to be toggle buttons so we can have a selected one. Creature selected buttons. Nice. Rest. That's a horrible way to do it. Okay, there we go. Sorry, I forgot how to do things. This is gonna be really hard to see for you guys. Oh. Oh, okay. Interesting. What do I even do with this information? I'm setting this at the wrong time. New household. New household dot add member. Join household. Okay. Okay, I see why I do it this way. So I'm setting the household on the creature, and then when the creature enters the scene, then the household becomes aware of the creature. So let's just not do it this way. I guess we, in general, don't want to do it this way. Okay, idea. So after we start life, and we'll say this is equal to active household creatures 0 household. She's stuck. You trapped her. You could move that box. Alright, we have like a bunch of boxes because I got a new monitor and a new chair this week. And we want to make sure they're good in case we need to return them before we get rid of the boxes. But then when Coda brought the dog chair back here, it meant that Spud had no way out anymore of her area to get outside. Okay. New chair. Hell yeah. Okay, so maybe this needed more of a weight. That's like how game dev, right? You just add weights everywhere. Oh, gosh. Okay, let's just not do that. Bunk. Select. First. Button. And set. Okay, so we'll say if not world demographics, active household members is empty. Oh, okay, I guess I had that ready to go. Then we'll do this. Otherwise, on household creature added, we'll say if get child count is equal to 1. A button pressed Okay. This is such jank. I really don't like this. Okay. Okay, so the camera is going to them, but it's not locking onto them. And then the other thing I would want to do is right-click press. Locks in on them. But it's janky, but it worked. So, yeah, no. Uh-oh. Not input dot is mouse button pressed. Right. Okay. So now we're following. If I right click, or if I left click Rashad, we don't follow. Or left click. But if I right click... Oh. Oh, it's not unpressing these. The button group is failing. And also it's not listening for a right click input. So there we go. It's toggle. It's got a button group. Not local to scene. Okay, there we go. Why would it ever default to local to scene? I feel like that's new. Fortune just for Kezer. Fortune. Enjoy that one. Okay. Lyle. Now we follow Lyle, but Lyle doesn't go anywhere. Fuck you, Lyle. Rochelle. What? Oh. I see. It's because the button wasn't released. Alright, yeah, you're gonna live in a lovely flat in Downton Abbey. You're gonna find work as a female body inspector. You're gonna mentor Lenny in a healthy platonic relationship. And you'll have a new life after accidentally stepping into a wormhole. I feel like all of that's after the wormhole. Oh. No, it's a bot. It would be funny if we didn't know how to set up bots and we just had Coda on my account on like a second device. Sending this out very fast. Female body inspector, yeah. Alright, Nick, you're gonna live on Pandora with the Na'vi. You're gonna find work as an archaeologist. You're gonna lose against Lenny in the finals and spiral from there. And you'll have fame as a movie star. It noticed you, senpai. Alright. So the other issue here, mouse button press doesn't work because pressed was happening on button up. So if I set it to button down, then it should work. Because otherwise I would need to like know that it's a mouse up event, and I don't want to read that. Okay. Marjorie. Now we are following. Left click, now we're just on Jared, and if he moves, we don't follow. Right click, now we're following. Nice. I'm gonna mentor you, and then you'll win the finals. That's nice. It seems like the Y is changing when I set a follow target. Oh, Lizzie. Yeah, I get like higher. Do I get higher each time I do it? Don't love that. All right, but this is good. Boop, 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 boop. Household. And so then if I travel, can I not click on thing? Oh. Oh. Okay, something to fix. You can still right click to deselect. What the fuck? Go. Oh. Oh, interesting. Right click doesn't make them active. Oh, because it's... Alright, I'm a silly goose. Mad. Go. Oh, Jesus. Sorry about that. Playing Overwatch, what a time to find out my D isn't working right. The iteration of Boinkers and their environment is so cute. Thank you. Really good decision to pivot, I think. I think so too. I feel like this has a lot more character to it and a lot more charm. But yeah, that was Carrot. Spud doesn't really bark. When she does, it's like, arr, arr. And it's really quiet. That's a lot of O's. Yeah, I was being stupid. So yeah, I had in the input listener, right click deselected the creature, but we just need to never be able to do that. Don't do that. Urology console ASAP. What? Oh, because the D isn't working? Muchashka, welcome in. That's a hard one to say. Carrot, start barking. Let me come pet you. Nah. Characters are cute. Thank you, No Jewel. Welcome in. We have ads starting in 3 minutes, and I'm absolutely gonna run for a BRB when that happens, and I might grab a piece of pizza because I didn't eat very much. The game's looking pretty rad. Thank you. I need to figure out why the creature didn't go to the operations like I told them to. But now we got them selected, which is good. Travel to operations. Why don't you? Why the... Go! No. What's wrong? Okay. Hell yeah, pizza. Hell yeah, pizza too. I agree. Hell yeah. I made it before stream, like an hour before, and I wasn't really hungry yet. So I just had a piece. But now I'm like, it is time. Okay. Stop. Travel to operations. Why? They're giving up here. They're like, no. I've gone far enough. Oh, has something happened to the ground here? Oh. I always try to use my controls here. Right. Why has that not been an issue before now? Hmm. We'll see. I'll just like leave it either way. So you guys have something to look at. Although it won't be as pretty. Alright, Bryson, can you go here? Looks like you can now. At least I can click on it. But you didn't go there, so maybe you can't. I'm so confused. Okay, well, we're in ads. I don't want to leave this up when it's got the thingy on. Okay, this will be more interesting. I'm ad free. I know, but everyone else isn't, and I need to pee. Alright. I just spawned a ton of creatures you guys can watch. I don't know what's gonna happen though, because they can't leave this room, it seems. Alright, BRB. Hello and goodbye, Random Logic. Have a good lurk. Alright, I'm gonna eat a little pizza while we look at this. I'm sitting with my legs crossed, so I need to raise the desk to meet me. But yeah, I just set it to spawn 30 extra NPCs. Hell yeah, pizza. It's a vegan kebab and vegan cheese. So it's kind of like spicy bacon. It's pretty good. It's like thin slice, so it's like crispy. Yeah, it's thin crust. I like black olives on my pizza, but I didn't feel like cutting any up, so I didn't add any. But Coda likes pineapple on his half, so he got pineapple because we had some ready to go. I don't know what's wrong with him. Hell yeah, black olives, hell yeah, pineapple. You're our child then. Are these blobs touching each other? It feels good. You should try it. Oh my god, I'd be a terrible parent. Just being honest. So, like, it was working before, and I just kind of want to see what changed. Should I do some code today? Yes. No daughter of mine skips code a day. Skips a code a day. We're a very strict coding family, you see. You'll learn to love it. My rebel phase, I hate coding. Code a day. Oh, I meant to... I fixed it. You say many of them just fucked off? It's because I fixed it. Oh my god, you're already here. You guys, I fixed it. I'm so smart. We're gonna get housed. Our active family is the only one that will be housed. Rent. Let's go. Let's just browse the periodicals while we're here. So smart. My thought, because I looked at what changed and I was like, I took out animation that was playing at the beginning before like the first creature was spawned. So I was thinking maybe there's something about like it was like there wasn't the delay that there used to be before we rebuilt the navigation mesh, but I also have a hotkey that rebuilds the navigation mesh. And I was like, I don't think I tried it the last time we were checking this. And so this time I just tried pushing the button and then they all poured through the elevator. It was awesome. I'll get it. You have a tracking of smartness. Oh, so now I can click home. Oh, thank you. And I don't know what's going to happen. Ooh. Where are you? Oh, you did go home. No way I got that working already. But yeah, this is their apartment. It's the same as the public living quarters, but it's not shared with 50 people. Is the time it takes you to rebuild the nav mesh acceptable for you? Just curious. You didn't even see it happen. It was so fast. Yeah, I'm gonna do... I need to separate out, because right now build mode isn't build mode. It's just perpetual. So I don't want to just rebuild it every time I place one thing. Like I could press it now and now there's going to be a nav mesh going around this. But what I want to do is make a separate build mode. And then once you leave it, it rebuilds it once for like any changes you did. But like this is going to be the apartments. And my plan is that all the apartments, all the accommodations are going to be really small and have all the necessities, and you're not gonna have like a lot of options for that. Like you're not gonna be able to build walls or anything. It's just like you get what you get and you can go get a different footprint floor plan if you can afford a more expensive place and you need more space. So this is like the studio. But you'll be able to place like a few things that are more like hobby activities, like a guitar and stuff. Signing off, it's past midnight. You're free from my watch now. Good luck with the build. Thank you, V-Score. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the membership. I did not expect that. Have a good night. Uh-oh. I see a creature. I see. Sammy's stuck in an infinite loop, so it's being unresponsive. There we go. Sorry, Sammy. That's a really good point, Yag. That could absolutely be something we do, because right now it's all one. But they're teleporting between them. They're not connected, so I could just separate them. That was my first time subscribing to a YouTube membership too. Oh. I'm your first. Sorry, that came out maybe a little creepy from my end, but oh well. I was also thinking the only way, or like other than in like a debug edit, a bit creepy, just a tad. Yeah. The only thing you can edit would be the personal apartments. You can't edit other things. You can't edit this. That was my plan anyway, although I might make like a cheat mode where you can do that. Always remember your first. That's right. Welcome in, gamer. Wanted to stand up and get a drink, but Cat had other ideas and jumped on my lap. To keep you working, keep you coding. Good kitty. Okay, what have we done here? Active household. Preliminary creature creator. New game flow. Sorry for swearing, Mom. It's okay, you get it from me. Okay. This actually probably doesn't need to happen anymore as start. Because it gets called on ready with no wait. We'll just leave it for now. It's fine. Oh, one more thing I'd like to do is just tweak this a little bit. So in the theme, be like, yes, my name is M. Marcia. I want to have a custom pressed style. That will just look like the normal one, but with an outline. Bye now. Never watched the stream this long. If I bought it when I started watching, I would have had a red color loyalty badge. I didn't know they do colored loyalty badges. Do I get to pick the colors? I don't know anything about this. This is my first, you're my first member. And I'm on like tier 0 of like what I can do with it because I have no other members. A fortune just for Kezer. You're going to be a grandmother. I heart on her funny Tilhy boys. You kind of switched the pronouns in the middle there. I got a free soda when I ordered a falafel box earlier today. This is the first time I've had a soda in a long time. When did zero sugar ones start tasting like normal soda? I swear they didn't taste like this when I was a tween. Yeah, they're really good now. Also, you must have gone to, oh, they're, right, I set them all to press. God damn it. Did you go to Clemens? Falafel Toye? Typo, oh gotcha. Drinking it now and I'm utterly bewildered that it tastes like soda. Yeah, I like diet or zero sugar, whatever they call it now. Whatever the kids are calling it, I don't know. Curtis E. Bear. The courtesy bear. Oh, right. I gotta push F5. Ooh, yeah, we gotta fix that. We gotta change the timing. It's not enough that it works when I force it. It has to just always work. I wish Coke Zero tastes like regular Coke. I feel like it tastes better than regular Coke. I watched Pluribus. Now I'm never going to stop talking about it. Oh, God. Yes, you know where I went. Did Handsome Man give you the free drink? Ooh, I do like the Eco Salad bar, but I always get too much and then it's really expensive. But yeah, Falafel Stand's a great choice. A regular human. It's been so long. Good evening. Welcome in. Hello. Hello. This is Marsha. Falafel guy thirsting. I was like, falafel's great. I was honestly thinking about falafels today. Bonk's heart. I'm not horny. I'm just saying he's got a great smile and he always gives me free food. And that makes him attractive. A regular human. I'm doing something silly. So I'm a silly goose. No, he definitely said horny. Horny bonks I heart. Or heart. Yes, that's horny. Coda also gives you free food. What do you think about his smile? It's fantastic and it lights up my heart. Oh. But anyway, a regular human, I'm trying to get a Steam page published before the end of the month because that's the deadline to sign up for the October Next Fest. You're not horny, unsubbed. He's a handsome man and I'm secure in myself. Yeah, Coda likes him too. We talk about how handsome he is regularly. It's a daily discussion. Oh my gosh, DB9, thank you for the gift sub to a regular human. Jeez. Thank you. The Flowers game, I thought I wish less of that. Oh no, that came out. That came out like a week and a half ago. 2 weeks almost now. So you could even just go see. Maybe try the demo. Cause yeah, it's not for everyone. But it seems like the people who like it love it, which is awesome. Yeah, are you streaming? I feel like I haven't seen you live in a long time. Okay, right. I was gonna add a delay on the rebuild. Yeah, this. Post ready. Bake navigation mesh. Ah. Still don't know who he is, chat. This is Coda and Heart's description of the bloke. Tall, black hair, handsome. Did you see him, Lenny? He's like 3 guys who are tall, most of them have black hair, and look perfectly handsome to me. I don't know that his hair is black. It's more like dark brown. And still having a cold. Hope it'll be well enough by Monday. That sounds good. Are you still doing your normal time then? Like midday Europe? Like late morning? Gut Besserung. Is that like get better? Get well? Middle European afternoon somewhere. Okay, okay, okay. Excellent. I'm not going to do visible collision shapes because it looks terrible. And I want to enjoy looking at it too. Ugh, I don't like how much it zooms in. Okay, so it's working. It just needed that extra tick before it tries to rebake. Because before, what was happening is I was calling start on ready, and then one frame later, so like right after that, I was baking. But it used to be that start was called like minutes after it instantiated the scene instead of like on the same frame. Roses are red. My name is Slate. I saw your stream and now I feel great. Oh, that's so nice, Slater. Welcome in. One of them always tries to give me free falafel as I wait for my order. So he's the god. Yes. So really any of them can be it's a falafel man. Okay, so this is it. Cool. Look at all that love in the air and that person trapped in the corner. All of those people trapped in the corner. Oh, that's a lot of people trapped in the corner. It's interesting. Yeah, they'll look at things because they're trapped in the corner. If you're curious why I keep having error messages and not acknowledging it. Oh, V-Square, I missed this. Changes a month, 2 month, 6 month, 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year. The milestones each get different colors. Members are loyal, that is. Yeah, of course, of course. Okay. I wonder if I can change what the colors are, though. Trapped in a corner? Wait, I remember this punishment from my childhood? No. I can smite them if they get stuck for too long, but it hasn't come to that yet. Of course. One more thing I need to do. Is remove the right click on creature to set active creature. Because that's going to just cause issues if we can do that. Get well. Okay, that's what I thought. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, so we're not going to have this anymore. No more right-clicking creatures. We won't have that. Also, why are we like... Okay, perfect. So the only way to change creatures is with these buttons. It would be nice if the spacebar also like looped through the list. Oh, there's... I spawned way too many. Ghetto color choice is so cozy. Oh, thank you. Begin to change my Unity color. You should. I haven't looked at Unity closely in a while, but I remember it being like near black. I don't know, something about the blue tones just like is so oppressive on the eyes. And it's just like, let's just warm it up with some brick. Some brick colors. So why is the camera zooming in? It's like this is still playing, but it's not. It's just really zoomed in. My camera dot position. Okay. Maybe I'll just move the starting position of the camera. So supposedly this will be our view now. We'll see. Brick and coffee colors. Yeah, best colors. The best colors. Ah, okay. I think I've figured out why it's happening. My hastily slapped together script to select the active creature it causes the focus of the camera on the creature, and we don't want that on ready. Do we? I feel like it'd be fine if it were just like a better hastily slap script. Yeah, I mean, that's how you start, right? And then you can make it better. Something Jotson said in his stream a couple days ago, I think it was this week, but he was talking about his game. Shout out Jotson, by the way. Great streamer. Also, game dev, Godot. Working on a game that's coming out really soon. And he was saying he's at a point where now when he adds new things, he has to think about, like, he has to be like really conscious, like, is this gonna break anything else? Because he can't afford to like fix it later when he's this close to release. And I was like, yeah, like there's a point where it's okay to break stuff. Yeah, I remember him redeeming, doing a redeem spam earlier. But yeah, it's a good point. Like sometimes you can just get it working and then make it better, make it not broken. And sometimes you just gotta stop it. Just stop it. Ooh, thank you for the microscape. Generous God. Oh my God. Okay. We're gonna hear all those. I don't know why they take so long between them. I gotta like speed that up because it's a very slow one. Anyway. Okay, so if we're fine with it focusing the camera, maybe we just want the NPC creatures to spawn somewhere different from the new ones. Ah. iHeart's so smart. Don't look into it too much. We're gonna spawn here. Active household spawn location. Starting spawn points is going to be an array of marker 3D. I don't want this anymore. But this is gonna be this, that, pick random. I smart. Haha. You didn't expect. Good idea. Creature. NPC creature spawn point. So we're not going to be near the lounge. But we could just... We could just make a big stack of these. To get them all around. What? Okay. So yeah, lots of them here. This is going to be the most populous part on start for like the minute it takes them to then disperse. And yeah, we got 2 here. Could probably do more than 2. I just don't want them to be like super crowded. But we also not gonna have that many creatures. And then what I'm thinking is every day in the evening, thank you for the hydrate. In the overnight time, we'll potentially spawn more creatures. Also, I want to add an assertion that this wouldn't be empty. Assert spawn starting spawn points is empty. Not okay. How many did I make? What, like 10? I wish I could click a bunch at once. I saw someone doing that, but I couldn't figure out how to do it myself. Okay, and then we still have the operations office that I think had 2 spots. Yeah. So we're gonna see, oh gosh, sorry, my mouse is like cutting in and out a little bit. So I'm missing. We're gonna see 30 creatures spawning from 12 different locations. So it's gonna be a pretty good spread, hopefully. all goes according to plan. What? I renamed it. And moved it. I like that emote. It doesn't like the line I took out. Got taken out. Fine. Sorry, I'm not being as interesting as I possibly could. But we're getting good work done. At least I am. I don't know what you guys are. You're so interesting. Oh, thank you. Got Covino in the other tab. But you're watching on mobile. You only get one tab. Oh. Went right into flirting. Sybil, you dog. Back on my laptop. Oh, okay. Okay. I'm tempted to add avoidance, but that's always caused issues for me in the past. Oh, I'm gonna take one more bite of my pizza and then I need to put it in the fridge. Little blobs are so cute. Thank you. I want to adjust their shape a little bit. Probably this weekend. Because I want them to look a little more egg-shaped instead of just perfectly spherical. Like a little more long vertically. Not too much, just to give them like a... Just to get them closer to my drawings. That's her grimdark, nothing in between. I was gonna say, I thought you said you wanted moody. This is mood, but it's not moody. Well, I've got a game for you. Comes out hopefully in December. I really wasn't sure about the colors of the furniture in here. But I really liked it. Can I name the NPCs after chatters? Yeah, you can name them at any time. Oh. I haven't tried this in a while, I guess. Oh, I guess I can't. Okay, well. Interesting. Their names can include numbers, yeah, until it crashes. Yeah, I mean, but this is how we learn what's broken. I forgot, I redid the camera system, so some of these signals aren't connected. Yeah, it can be anything. I made one with emojis before, and it worked, so it's definitely a thing. Let me, one more bite. It's a pizza pie. There's no way you understood that. BRB. I said it's a pizza pie. But my mouth was full of pie. Did not get any pizza this evening. I'm sorry. There's still time. There's still time. If you have the stuff at home, especially. Camera freeze. Signal bus. Freeze camera. You stupid. Are you kidding me? The mic settings are dialed in. When you have the mouthful, I see. Too broke and lazy to make my own today. I'm sorry. Do you have like some cheese? You can make like a cheese toast thing. Is iHeart mad at us? What do we do? I'm not mad at you. I'm mad at me. I changed his signal name from freeze camera to camera freeze. Or other way around. Okay, it doesn't update it here, so that's a good note. I heart young adults. I'm a little mad at I heart. Uh-oh. What did I do? Oh, acid reflux. You could have some Nova and have that as a treat because it tastes great. Actually, I'm gonna have some too now that I say it. I love some Nova. Why are you mad at me? What are you talking about? Coda never gets mad at me. What? You know, you said some pretty bad stuff to me, Coda, but this takes the cake. White guilt, milk toast, piece of human garbage. Okay. Yeah, I kind of figured that out. I'm on your side. What the fuck? This view of the creatures feels new. They look very different. Like more top view. Making progress on things. Yes. Oh, I had to change the camera because the sky background did not work with the orthographic camera, so I had to change the perspective. Leoposian, welcome in. Thank you for the raid. How was your stream? What'd you get up to? Rodrigo, welcome. Coda trying out the bot or something? No. He's quoting Rick and Morty. We were watching it last night. And it's the Gazorpazorp field. So I immediately clocked it. He's still in big trouble for scaring me. But it's too smart for me. On creature name changed. Text. Target creature. Hello, 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 Leoposian. How was your stream? What'd you get up to? I asked before, but I don't think you were in yet. Welcome. Vinge, welcome in. I'm not upset. I'm just not. The country's upset with absurd prices. $5 for a meal at McDonald's? Need more meat in my diet. It's only $5? I feel like $5 is old pricing. Ugh, Coda, what a gross thing to say. Pickle Rick is just like, it's not a good character. I don't care. I don't care how much you spent on it. Ugh. Back to Unreal, making more customizations now with the power of C++. Many things have happened. Ooh. Yeah, you can probably just ignore Coda. Target creature dot creature data dot name changed dot connect on creature name changed. Does this emit with a name? No, it doesn't. Unreal devs finally have to code. Hope the Pickle Rick lingerie is just pickle on a string with a little face. They removed blueprints, so I'm learning new stuff, making my own engine as a hobby. As a hobby? How do you have hobbies on top of everything else? That's insane. It's a 10-plus-year-old meme. Oh, gotcha. Gotcha. Oh, is that offensive to the Unreal devs? I didn't really think about it. You'll be fine. Rub some dirt in it. Okay, AA Ron. Your new name is Stevie. Oh, I just realized all my inputs got picked up at once. Stevie Hurt. Hurt. There you go. And now it's here too. And I accidentally toggled everyone's things and I don't remember how to take it off. What key is that? Oh my gosh, it's been so long since I've used this. Go away! Someone's stinking it up in the bathroom. Jeez. I guess that's where you're supposed to. What key is this? Backspace? Delete? Oh, I paused. Oop. T. Oh, it's T for toggle. Oops. I need to like freeze inputs. Holy. Oh no, Stevie Heart's heart is experiencing the bug. Yeah, it's a very tough thing, but very fun. I know so much more about how engines works. Nice. Okay. Stevie is experiencing the bug. I know. I don't understand. You're already in operations. You don't need to go there. I wrote it down. We know. We didn't make a love bug emote. That would be cute. Add it to the to-do list. Boop, boop. You can tell Yags here because hydrate is on constant cool time. Good. Keep me moist. Oh, let me check the time. And by the time, I mean till like the next ads. Oh gosh. Okay, I'm gonna snooze us. Gonna take a little snooze. And I think one more. And then possibly a third. And we're not gonna go to the next ad, so I'm gonna block any more reads. And we have 15 minutes for almost 20 minutes to have fun. And then fun is over. All right, let me just check the changes because maybe we can commit this. I hope you guys are having fun. I'm having a fantastic time. You know what I should do? I got a good idea. Hold on. Oh, fudge. I didn't do this before. Oh, but... Okay. It's okay. So, hear me out. Posture check. Oh, my posture is pretty good, actually. But, thank you. Having a good time? Shouldn't get that one. Yeah, Yeg does not care about my posture. She hates me. Okay, so for a creature in this, I'm just gonna make this a percent. Let's uniquely call this one because we like to. Okay. It's a long name though, still. For a creature in active household creatures, a creature dot ground region is this dot get parent. This is such a bad way to do this. I'm gonna continue to do it this way for a little bit longer, and then we're gonna fix it. I just want to see if this works to fix the bug before I go through all the work to make it done smartly. Sorry for that sound. Is this the only way I do it? I really just want, instead of spawn loc, to get a spawn marker. So then we'll just return this. Global position. And then here, we'll figure that out in a minute. Marker 3D. We'll say new creature dot ground equals spawn marker get parent. Only here to give you the bare minimum, Mom. A grateful upstart. It's because we kept dropping you on your head as a child. We thought it was funny, but now I realize it just kind of messed you up. Jolene. So yeah, setting their initial ground was, I think, what was missing. Because if they're trying to, like, do thing... Oh, no. Oh, hamburgers. Oh, but you gave up. That's good. Oh, I can't grab you because you're not in my household. Okay. Yeah, I can't click on them to find out what's happening anymore. Oops. Jolene does not care about this person in the corner having a conniption. Okay. I like seeing him blink. I think that's super funny. So you think you're in operations, but you're not. You left. So there's something happening with how they're teleporting. This isn't related to what I'm doing right now, though. Okay. Adds new start flow. Creature creator template and starting or active household. Are you an actual game dev? Banmer, welcome in. Game dev and chill. I'm new here. Yeah, I'm an actual game dev. It's just like a co-working stream. So it's chill and you can work at the same time I work. And I hopefully won't be too distracting. Just a little bit of distracting as a treat. When things go well. I think this is fine. Creature selector, we did. NPCs on start, we did. The need reset we need to do. Mm-hmm. Separate spending funds by household we need to do. She just puts code on her screen for fun. Yeah, it's decoration. So tomorrow I'll be back in the morning and I think we could probably do a little bit more of the creature creator. Right now it's just making a random creature, which is fine for getting started. But there's a few things we could choose right now that could be fun. Like, what do we want our creature's name to be? What do we want them to have for skin color? What do we want their traits to be? We could do all these things. We could even potentially set relationships with other creatures in the household. That's something I definitely want eventually, so maybe we do that now. But it doesn't terribly matter. But maybe. It would just be family relationships. DV9, thank you for the gift sub to Grumble. That goes to the me watching him paint his house while I eat popcorn and throw bits at it. It's really good for everyone. Misclicked. Oh. Damn. Just about to sub. I guess save your money? No, we'll never get rid of him. Oh, you're trying to ban him? Oh, he's the mod. Yeah, I guess save your money. I guess. No, you should. Okay, I don't want to do this right now, so maybe this is a good place to read out. Yeah, I think I need sleep. The only thing that's really bothering me, I really want to figure out the teleporter situation, so maybe let's like look at that for a minute and then I can chew on it tonight. Maybe I should time out DV9's thanks. Really nothing less than a full ban would do it, I think. Okay, let's see. Okay, so when we receive teleport, we're getting a creature. And then we set the creature's current region ground to the target region. Why are we doing that? We could do this in this function. A creature dot ground is equal to ground. No. Region ground. It seems like it goes both ways, but I'm not sure because we only were checking it when we were in the housing, but they definitely got stuck at both points. So let's also check if the teleporter is set correctly in all these rooms. There's like a lot that can go wrong here. Okay. 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 Sorry. Just trying to understand what all is happening here. So, living quarters, public living quarters, operations. I changed something with this. Just that it's public. The bed looks cozy in the game. No, this is not the bed that I envisioned. This is the bed that I originally made for the old flavor and just recolored it, but we're gonna have like a ton of pillows. We're gonna have like fluffy blanket, fluffy quilt, and like a rounded headboard. It's gonna be really cute. This was just till we get that. I would still sleep in it. Me too. I could go for some sleep right now. But let's test this. The one thing I'm noticing is the region IDs for the teleporters are not set everywhere. And really it should be set. It just shouldn't be an export variable anymore. Because we check the parent has an ID. And then we set it. But if we had two teleporters in the same, but like we don't want that anymore. So maybe just let's just assert region ground. Region ground and region ground dot region ID. We're gonna just be assertive about it. Oh, that's right. So we just want to see them get stuck. Might take a little bit. Just let them live their best lives until they can't. Oh, so sad. Okay. A wonderful example. Amos. It's a funny name. It's old-timey. It's harder than the floor. I mean, it's still a bed, but just not a good one. 13 quarters, single 2. Nuh-uh. More like a Shamu. I feel like I've not heard the name Shamu in so long. I cannot remember what it means. Hydrate. Thank you, Yeg. Why the fuck am I doing this? Sorry. Why the fuck am I doing this? I thought I took that out everywhere. Microfiber rigs? Is it? Sorry. Oh, Irad gave me a shout out. We really got to get going. We got 3 minutes. Please, someone get stuck in a corner if you're going to. Yes. And it was my active character. My active gumdrop. My own gumdrop. Trade me. The fuck am I doing this? You can't leave me. I have to. Alright, everyone. I'm gonna find us a raid target. Coda, play closing time. Closing time. Time for you to time and time. Oh, time and a time. Time. Closing time. You don't have to time, but time and time and time and time. Little Simsy's on. There's some people I follow that I'm trying to remember who they are. I feel bad saying that, but that's the truth. I need to hurry up. Shit. Okay, fine. Let's just go to 2 Nerdy Nerds. I feel like I rated them recently, but we gotta go. We gotta go! Oik is also on. I saw that, but he just started, didn't he? In any case. D9, thank you for the giant me. I'll be back tomorrow. Have a good one. Say something nice when we get in there. And YouTube, I'm not gonna... I think I can actually send you over. Let's try to do that. I'll send you over, YouTube. Alright. Bye, Twitch. See you. Alright, YouTube, give me a minute. And I'll connect you over. And just stop Twitch. And you can hear the stream before we get there. I should have done this ahead of time. Oh gosh, it's bright. Oh my gosh, how do I do this? Fudge, I can't... Oh wait, here.
Oh my god, there's another raid.
Welcome everybody. Hello, iHeart. What's up?
How's it going, iHeart? Hope you had a great stream.
Just a second, I'll
I hope
message.
the game release went well. I see you're working on something new, exciting.
I've been lurking, iHeart. I've been lurking, co-working. in secret.
Welcome in, everyone. Dreamer, Yagich, Oda,
Okay.
Heather.
You were trying to get that Steam
Razzies.
page going for the life sim.
Oh yes, the life sim. That's right. That's right.
Can't stay. Back to work prompts. Great stuff. Well, thank you so much for saying hello. You're
Oh.
always welcome to
Yeah.
hang out.
Catch you next time. Have a great weekend. Setting up a YouTube raid too.
Ooh.
That's a thing we can do.
You can rate on
Here we
the
go.
YouTubes.
I had no idea that was a thing.
Holy.
Look into that. Well, we were just showing off our trailer there for the previous raid. Hopefully,
You caught some of it?
yeah. Hopefully you caught like half of it. But yeah, that's the game that we're working on. It's called Reclaim the Living. It is a roguelike where you cure zombies instead of killing them.
Mm-hmm.
You have the cure capable of reverting zombies back to normal.
Oh.
That's what
Okay.
we're working on. I was doing some math, mostly failing at it, but I think we're okay. And Celine is making some textures for some new models.
Heck yeah.
Okay, YouTube, I'm just gonna share the link so that you can go there.
Value, that's
Sorry, the nerdy nerds don't have redirecting enabled.
sure.
So here is the link to their live stream. I'm gonna go and I hope to see you over there.
To enable the redirect,
Oops.
I will share the link. Oh, nice.
That didn't work.
That is appreciated.
There we go.
Math